Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to unlink everything from each theme, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, we are already landed in our Steam application. So I need to go on my setting to unlink any link I want. So that for reason I'm going to go click on Steam logo. In here you can find out it in the left top corner. Just click over here, and then you can see we have bunch of options that place, and in here after the exit we will click over here setting. Once I click over here, now you can see in the under of account button we have the option about account details, private setting, add funds. So here if we link any social media link or any other kind of link, then we are allowed to see it in that place. So here by clicking on the link I will allow to unlink those links, but directly they will never give you any control to unlink any link from that place. I hope you understand how easy that was. If you love this video and if you think this video help you to learn a new thing, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.